Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life. So Wipro has started their another hiring for analytics role. So the hiring is basically for someone who has a knowledge of analytics tool and know how to communicate with stakeholders and clients. So that is the reason they are hiring for this profile, and someone who has a functional knowledge of agile methodologies are also welcome in this hiring. So if you have the knowledge of these things and the knowledge of the tools that are there in the analytics profile, you will be welcomed by Wipro. And the hiring is for the pan India location. So if you're posted at any location and that is nearer to these kind of location, Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Gurgaon, Noida. So these are included in this hiring, and there are several other locations as well. So if you're someone who is deeply interested in analytics profile, you can go for this opportunity. This is a very good opportunity for someone who has been looking for a job for analytics profile. And the catch here is that if you have a friend who is already working in Wipro, and if they give you a referral, your hiring would be fast enough. So if you can do this thing, please do, because I know a few people who have used this technique to enter into Wipro, and that worked out for them. So yeah, if you have that kind of opportunity with you, do not miss it. And yeah, let's go back to my computer screen and see how we can apply for this position, and how many posts are there for Wipro that are actually for the analytics profile. Yeah, let's get into it. So hi, there we are on LinkedIn homepage, if you can see, and I'm gonna go to this job section. This is a suitcase, that is a symbol of job section over here. Let's type in Wipro, and here you can already see that Wipro has added 129 new jobs just today in the morning, because late night I have searched for Wipro jobs and there were around 1800 jobs present. And let's go and check it out, Wipro. And I'm gonna show you these kind of hiring that is Wipro is doing for all the peeps out there. So here you see business analyst role profile, and this is the tools that you may know about this hiring. So basically this is very like clever way to represent. Even if you don't know, you can still apply to these job roles, because someone who has a 6 months of experience in IT knows all of these things. So it's not that if you don't know and you're scared of applying to this job role, you are not going to be selected. It's not like that. It's just their way of representing what are the skills that are actually needed to you to join as a business analyst or data analyst in Wipro. Similarly, these are there for different locations. Here it mentions that MBA with specialization in operation, but not all role requires MBA in this one. And this is for the SQL and Power BI, and someone who has a 3 to 5 years of experience in the similar role can get this job. But you can eventually apply to this role, and if you have someone who can give you a referral, your this journey would be speeding up. Next is, if you can see, all of these are for the business analyst role. So do not miss this one, because this is going to be a really crucial one for you. So capabilities, delivery excellence and capability, how excellently you deliver the cases that are given to you, and functional architectural capability, Salesforce project. Salesforce is something that is going to be present over for every kind of job role that you could see, because Salesforce is leading a CRM and most of the companies have started using it. So if you can manage up to learn Salesforce, your career would be great ahead. So these are all the stakeholder alignment, and you can read it and then apply it. And if you have someone who has this referral thing, who has worked in Wipro, please go and ask them to refer to you. Obviously, I have got so many people who just applied for a referral and then they got a call very easily. So this is something that works in this industry. See the importance of domain industry knowledge. Everywhere the importance of domain is appreciated. And for applying, like if you have selected out of these 1800 job posts and you have selected the one that you want, and you can go to someone who can refer you to this job, so please do. And if you don't have someone, you can search it on this LinkedIn profile, search for people on Wipro from people section here, and then ask them to refer to you. If they don't, then just go and straight away apply to this. So this applying link, click over here, you will go to the career portal of, and there you have to fill in a lot of details, and your brain will be hurt a little bit, but then you will eventually be able to apply to this one. Okay, it's taking a little bit of time to load. Let's see, more job. So one thing that I would want to suggest to you all, that if you are going for analytics role, please learn Agile as well, such as Jira, Confluence. Know a little bit knowledge of these, because these will eventually be used in all of the IIT industry. Even if you're a software developer, you are going to deal with this kind of tools every now and then, because the cases come in for such tools. There are certain tools that have a cases embedded into it, but there are tools that are rigorously used for these purposes. Okay, let's see. Maybe because of the company policies, I am not able to open this career portal page, but you will be able to, because you have the personal laptops with you. So yeah, go click on this apply link and fill in all the details as I've told you. And very less number of people apply for these kind of bulk hiring, so do not miss this opportunity. This is going to be a golden one for everyone. So yeah, this was it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any query, suggestion or doubt, you can write it in the comment section below. I would greatly appreciate your time in writing such comments, and I will be able to resolve your queries if I can. And yeah, if you have any doubts, please do write. So yeah, this was it for this video. Meet you next time.